Hi boys and girls. Hi to all the mummies and daddies at home. My name is Elenna and I'm going to take you through a kids yoga class today. I'd like you all to sit down in your space. We're going to sit crisscross. You can bring your hands to heart center and I want you to think about someone that you love. You can close your eyes and we're going to take 3 big balloon breaths here. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In and out. Last one. You can open your eyes. We're going to start today in butterfly. So bring the soles of your feet together. You're gonna open up your knees wide like butterfly wings, and we're gonna flap our butterfly wings, just starting to move our bodies in our space today. Good job. Next, we're going to move into caterpillar. And stretch your legs out nice and long. We're gonna reach for our toes here. We're gonna take 3 big breaths. Ready? And reach. That's 2. One more. Reach, reach, reach. Great job. Next, let's go into dragonfly. So I want you to open up your legs nice and wide, and let's see how far you can reach your hands. So let's walk the hands forward as far as you can. Let's see how big you can stretch today in your dragonfly shape. Let's take 3 breaths here. Are you ready? Great job. Let's walk our hands all the way back. We're gonna lie down on our backs. And I want you to bring your feet up towards the ceiling. Good job. We're gonna reach for our toes 3 times. Are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. Reach, 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 reach. Can you touch your toes? Good job. We're gonna go into bridge pose next. I want you to bend your knees, your feet on the floor. Good job. Hands right beside you with your palms facing down. We're gonna lift our hips up and make a bridge shape with our bodies. Good job. Let's take 3 breaths here. Are you ready? In through the nose, out through the mouth, in and out. Last one. And slowly lower our hips, lowering our bridge all the way down. Good job. Let's go into happy baby next. So bend your knees, hang on to the outsides of your feet, open your knees up wide, tuck your chin in just a little bit, and let's rock side to side. Rocking our happy babies. You guys are doing a great job at home. Side to side. Does that feel good today? I hope so. And we're gonna give ourselves a really big hug. So I want you to bring your knees into your chest. Give yourself a nice big hug. Good. We're gonna take a really big stretch here. So I want you to reach your legs out, reach your arms out, big stretch. Let's take 3 breaths here. Good job. We're gonna turn around and come into tabletop. So we're gonna have our hips over top of our knees and our hands underneath our shoulders. And let's go into a couple of cat-cow stretches. Are you ready? Round your spine, tuck your head. Now look all the way up to the sky. Let's do that 2 more times. Ready? Look all the way up. Last time. Looking up. Great job. Let's tuck our toes under. We're gonna come into downward facing dog. So lift your hips up to the sky. Push into your hands. Good job. And let's walk the dog. So bend one knee up and then the other. Wagging our puppy dog tails. Good job here walking the dog. We're gonna try one-legged dog. Are you ready? Lift one leg up. Can you balance? Can you hold it here? Good job. And let's try the other foot. Bending up the knee. Trying your best to balance on one foot. Good job. And let's come back to down dog. And if you want to wiggle, wag your tail a little bit, bend your knees. And let's come back to tabletop. So hands under your shoulders, hips over your knees. Let's do a couple more cat-cow stretches. Let's do 3 together. Are you ready? Round your spine. Now look up to the ceiling. Good job. Look all the way up. Let's do it one more time. Great job, boys and girls. Let's go back into downward facing dog. Are you ready? Tuck your toes. Lift your hips up high. And let's walk the dog one more time. Right and left and right and left. Great job. Push into the hands. Great job. Let's drop down to our knees. We're going to come down onto our tummies, and we're going to go into Cobra Pose. You're going to have your shoulders over top of your elbows, and I want you to lift your chest up. Let's take 3 big breaths here. Are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. That was really great. Let's come back to tabletop. Let's do 3 more cat and cows. Do you remember how? Let's do them together around the spine. Tuck your chin. Look all the way up. Let's do that 2 more times. Look up. Last one. Great job. Now let's go back into downward facing dog. Do you remember how? Tuck your toes, push into your hands, lift your hips up to the sky. And let's walk the dog again, bending one knee up and then the other. Good job. Wagging our puppy dog tails. And let's try one-legged dog again. Are you ready? Lift your leg up. Try your best to balance on one foot, pushing into your hands. And let's switch. Other side, bending the knee. You're doing great. Coming back, walking the dog one more time. And let's drop down onto our knees. We're gonna do 3 more cat-cows together. Round your spine. Look all the way up to the sky. 2 more. Looking all the way up. Good job. Last one. Great cat and cows today. We're going to go into melting heart next. So I want you to think about keeping your hips lined up with your knees. We're gonna walk our hands out. Just like that, you're doing great. Drop your head down, drop your chest down. And here we're gonna take 3 big breaths together. Are you ready? In, out, in, and out. Last one. See if you can melt your heart all the way down to the ground. So good at home. We're gonna come all the way up and we're gonna go into child's pose today. So I want you to think about being nice and still like a rock. Knees are bent. You can stretch your arms out in front of you, or you can tuck your arms in and make yourself even look like a rock. Let's take 3 big breaths here. go down onto our tummies. Let's swim for a little bit today. Are you ready? Let's reach our arms out and kick our legs and pretend like we're swimming in the water. Good swimming. Nice, strong bodies. You guys are doing great. Now let's go into bow pose. Are you ready? Bend up your knees. Let's grab onto our feet. And I want you to take a big breath, kick into your hands, lift your chest up, just like that. You're doing great. Let's take 2 breaths here. One more, kick, 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 kick. And relax all the way down. Doing great. Next, let's go into Superman or Supergirl. So reach your arms out. I want you to lift up your arms, lift up your legs, and let's fly around today. Looking where you're flying. What do you see? Great job, boys and girls. And next, let's go into seal. So I want you to stretch your legs out. We're gonna push into our hands and lift up our chest high. I want you to look way, way up. You're doing great. Let's take 3 breaths here. Are you ready? Lift your chest. Last breath here. So good. Let's lay back down on our tummies. I want you to take a big stretch here too. I want you to reach your arms out, reach your legs out, and let's take 3 more breaths. Great job. Let's sit down on our knees and finish out our yoga practice together today. So I want you to think about your favorite color. Let's bring our hands to heart centers. We're gonna close out our practice like mummies and daddies do with our special word. Are you ready? Namaste. The good in me sees the good in you, and together we are all connected. Thank you so much for doing yoga with me today. I hope you all had fun, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.